Pottery Studio Open House is on for this year, the first and second Saturdays of December. We missed last year because of COVID, and we're being extra careful this year. Many of the displays have been moved outside, and we'll be wearing masks whenever we're inside. Dudley's been busy for the past 2 years making some fine pottery. There's a lot of pottery, and the prices are quite low. This is a good place to do your holiday shopping. Dudley will be working on the wheel, and like always, mimosas will be served.
You know, Mr. COVID has not gone away, and we will be wearing masks when we're inside a building.
Dudley and Cindy are supporters of Planned Parenthood. On December 4th, all sales go to Planned Parenthood. The services that Planned Parenthood provides are important to young people who are just beginning their adult lives, and they're important to women and men who may need help in getting proper health care. We hope you'll stop by for a visit.